So, friend, if you are on a big trouble, if you are also thinking about that the pin pattern finger face in my phone should be unlocked somehow, then this video will prove to be very effective for you. So you have to do nothing. I am telling you this in some simple step. If you have to follow with me, and you can remove the pin pattern sitting at home. So get ready to unlock your Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, Poco, Xiaomi, any Android phone at sitting at home only. So first of all, you have to make sure your handset in flight mode. This is because this is fully offline method. As I earlier you can see my all the videos. I am clearly telling you this is offline method, and you can unlock your phone sitting at home, and without data lost and without application lost, you can unlock your Android phone. You can reset your Android phone. So, and another one, your minimum battery percentage should be 40 to 50%. And another, now it's let's start the process. So you can see the bottom on the screen or interface area. You can see emergency call button. Press here, and I am going to give you for Oppo, Realme, Vivo, Samsung, any Android phone some Google FRP code, and this is valid till March 2023. So apply this code, and a star has 98004578 a star 773, and press last one is hash, and press call button minimum 3 times. After that, you can erase this number Google free code and unlock and apply this a star hash 899 and hash. Now as you can see, Gmail mode page is open. So first of all, in all the option you have to select only after device calibration, and please confirm here. And second one, check your manual test, go in there, and second row device debugging page is coming. So there are so many options is coming. First you have to check your proximity sensor test is proximity calibration, and also confirm here in this same option, and check your magnetic sensor M sensor is coming. So you can see this 3 XYZ is synchronizing till here 10 to 15 second. This is only differences friend, this is only differences on all the video. Google FRP code is already in all video have to change, because this code is we can take from the Google, and this may be support in many handset, and this but may not support in many handsets. So please confirm in comment section. So now you can see check to the MEM sensor auto test successfully. Another one, you go to the last option, and this is the main and important option. This is others option, and see your Android version. So you can check through your Android version. You come back and check your Android version or mainboard version, whatever your Android version. First press here same number whatever you seen in Android version or mainboard version. Press here 12 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, and come back from this option, and again you have to press manual test and go the last other option, and confirm, and also press here 12 times whatever your Android version or mainboard version 10 8 9. So please press here database version all the same number. So I'm going to press 12 times here. After that, you have to press rewrite important log test and confirm here, and you can see wrong password is coming. Now you can understand your pin pattern reset already. All password is reset. You can, after now it's done, after completing all the process, that our phone is unlocked or not. Otherwise, let's press the home button and see whether our phone is unlocked or not. as you can see as you can see, friend, our phone is unlocked, and this code is already supported in my handset, and my phone is unlocked and without loss of any data or application. So friend, if I hope you like this video, then you will see you in the next video. Subscribe our channel, like and share. Bye.